What's up, socialites, and welcome back to another vlog episode. Y'all already know I'm super excited because baby, I'm being consistent. That's the name of the game. So today I'm going to warm up some peach cobbler, some ice cream, cocoa, and I'm gonna put together the brown, aka black nutcracker, as well as the poinsettia. This is the Lego stuff that I'll be putting together. I'm super excited. I'm gonna add some music. I'm gonna time lapse this. And I hope that you guys enjoy. Nothing heavy, little hitter, but I'm excited. Lego is my life. These are the collections I'll add afterwards. And let's build some Legos. This is her. She's beautiful. I did decide that I will not be doing the poinsettias tonight. Poinsettias will probably take me 2.5 hours. I want to kind of get in the shower, relax, and just chill. So this is me putting together my nutcracker. I guess this will be a part 2. If you're into Legos, let me know what your favorite Lego build was, what I should build after the poinsettias. If it is Christmas, I do want this one right here. But I might have to baby add it to the Christmas list because baby, you just see the price tag. Anywho, thanks for watching the video. It's been an amazing Vlogmas.